Hey, what's going on, guys? So today it's another day. We are working on these 2003 S10 with a 4.3, I believe, V6. Now the problem we were having is the customer changed the spark plugs, not coils, I'm sorry, distributor wires, master flow sensor at some other shop, and some other stuff. We found that the ignition coil was bad. It was really weak, so we replaced that. It gained some power off that, but we were still having the same issue of like if it was like a carburetor that it was flooded, it would take long to crank unless you pump the gas open like a carburetor to clean it up once it's flooded, and then it will start right away, but it will still die off and whatnot. So that just tells me, and they changed the fuel pump a while back as well. That just tells me that the spider, the injector spider, right there, we took it apart already. It was flooding the engine out somehow. Now, when I touch back here, you can see that's fuel, and that is the fuel regulator. So the fuel regulator, after the truck runs, it gets pressure on the system, but I guess that is bad, and it's been leaking down into the engine, so it floods the engine out, and then that's what happens. So see, every time I touch it, everything down here is wet. So that just means that that fuel injector's fuel regulator was leaking. So now we got a new one with the gaskets. We're going to be putting that on, and we should be gushy after this. So now let me remove. We took the whole process. It's a pain in the ass to get all this stuff off, but I'm gonna remove the injectors now so we can change the bracket over to the because it has a bracket to hold the new injectors in place. And so yeah, I'm gonna pull that off, put the injectors on, start putting them back together, and we should have a good running motor again. Alright, be right back. Okay, so this is the new spider web. There it is. She's back in there. That's the new one. And this is the old one. So this guy over here is the one that was leaking the fuel. So that's trash. Now we're putting on new gaskets on there, putting everything back on, and she should fire right up and fire right up every single time. Alright guys, keep it posted.